Here's how to open a support ticket to the technical support team here at Fullpath. If you have any issues related to any of our products that require technical support, you can open a ticket by clicking on the silhouette icon in the top right corner and on Help Center. Here, you'll find the Fullpath Help Center with articles that might help you solve any of your problems. If you don't find what you're looking for, you can submit a ticket by clicking on this button. Here, you'll be redirected to a form where you fill in your information, your email address, your name, your dealership name, the relevant products, you can choose multiple, the subject of your request or issue, and the description. You can also include attachments so we have a better sense of how to help. Then, when you're done, click Submit and our support team will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.